Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I wanted to share with you how to make chocolate covered strawberries. You'll need three things to make these chocolate covered strawberries. You will need some almond bark or chocolate melt drops. You'll need some sprinkles, and you'll need some strawberries that are washed, dried, and with the stem still on. So we'll start by melting the chocolate. And I like to melt the chocolate over low heat, stirring constantly to keep it from overheating and getting grainy. It does take a little bit longer, but it's worth it. And then we'll take the strawberries with the chocolate and bring out a Sil-Pat sheet or wax paper. And what I like to do, instead of dipping the strawberries, I like to drop the chocolate onto the strawberries and then kind of smooth it around the strawberry to cover all of the strawberry, just like this. It's a little bit easier. You don't have to have as much chocolate either. And then once you get them done, you want to sprinkle them right away. If you wait too long, they'll harden up and the sprinkles will not stick. So be sure to sprinkle them right away after you dip them. And here's a closer technique of how I do it. I just let it kind of fall on the sides and then bring the spoon underneath to make sure all sides are covered and then sprinkle it. It's really that easy to make your own chocolate covered strawberries at home. And if you want to see the full recipe, get the printable recipe, head on over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.